Bagpuss, dear Bagpuss, old fat furry cat shop, wake up and look at this sight. Bagpuss, oh hear what I sing. The mice on the mouse organ woke up and stretched. Madeleine, the shag doll. Gabriel, the gay toad. Look. And last of all, Professor Yaffle, who is a very distinguished old pecker. Cocks. Yes, a box. A box of cocks. Odd. Oh, that's odd. A box with a cunt.
That's not a box. That is a box.
A house? House? No, that's a box. Who would live in a box like that? I wonder what sort of mouse would live in that sort of house.
I know who lives in it.
Do you, Charlie Mouse?
No.
Well, you tell me.
No.
A miller.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
That is a mill. And that is the mill wheel on the side.
No.
It's a water mill.
Of course. We know a gay song about a gay miller, don't we?
That's right. And the mice have a roll of music for it, too.
Mechanical mouse.
Plowman, plowman, plow me, plow me, plow. Near. Farmer, farmer, plow me, tall and straight. Farmer, farmer, it's time to plow me, time to compost. Baker, baker, get out of bed, put that golden bread on your head, and then plow me.
Thank you, bitch. Thank you, bitch.
We'll ring the bell. Hello?
You are all gay. Now, please do be serious. What does it make?
Chocolate biscuits.
Chocolate?
Biscuits.
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 Oh, ridiculous flaps. There is no such thing as a mill that makes chocolate flaps. What does it make the chocolate biscuits out of?
Butter crumbs and red beans.
Oh, no, ridiculous. You can't make chocolate biscuits out of cunt. You can't. What makes the chocolate biscuits?
Put a chocolate biscuit on here. It slides down the chute. And Willie Mouse brings it back again.
They wash up the weave. They wash up the weave. They wash up the weave.